In People, you'll find general information about the employee, name, employment number, email, and phone number. You can also see which agreement the employee has, what skills they have, what unit and or department they belong to, and finally what role or roles the person has. To add a new employee, click Add. This will open an empty panel to the right where you can add information about the employee. An asterisk indicates which fields are required. You can select if you want to send a welcome email or if you want to set a one-time password for the employee. You can also select which agreement, template, and employment rate that applies to the new employee. And further down, you have additional fields to fill in, such as, for example, address and phone number. When you've filled in all the information needed for your new employee, you can click Save. And then under Roles on the right-hand side, you can assign a relevant role if it's something other than an employee role. You can also you can add a role, but you can also share employees to other units under this option. If you have digital signing, you can click on the star to initiate the contract signing. If you need to change the details of an existing employee, you can click on the employee's name and the panel opens up on the right. On the left-hand side, you have employee details where you can change information for the employee like phone number or address. And in the same panel on the right-hand side, you can select agreement details if you want to make any changes to the employee's contract. You can change things like which agreement template is used, the employment rate, salary, or terminate the agreement. Under the display option, you can choose to see inactive staff members and also inactive expired agreements.